Hello, in this video we are going to go over the solution of the problem 387, first unique character in a string. Let's start writing the code. The first thing that we are going to do is to define an empty dictionary, and then we are going to go over all of the characters in the string and say for characters in string. Then we say if C not in D keys of our dictionary, we add number 1 as the value for that key, and else we just increment by 1. So let's print dictionary D now. Let me run it. So this is the dictionary right now we have for this string. So for example, for the L, we have 2 L here and here, and for the character O, we have also 2. 1 O here, 1 O here. For V, we have 1, and so on. For IDEX and character in enumerate S, if dictionary of character equals 1, we return that IDEX. Now we are going to go over all of the characters of the strings in order and see them one by one. And the first one that we see that has recorded 1, which means that that's the first unique character. So we are going to return its index. In case we couldn't find any unique character in this string, we are going to return -1. Okay, let's run it again. In this string, we have IDEX 2 as the first unique character, which is V. 0, 1, 2. V is the first unique character. That's here. Let's talk about time and space complexities, because we are visiting each character here to create this dictionary, and also separately we are visiting all of the characters in the string, and therefore the time complexity is order of n. For the space complexity, we create a dictionary D that the keys in this dictionary, for example here L, O, V, all of these things are characters of the alphabet, and because of that the number of them are constant, and as the result the length of D will be constant and our space complexity will be a constant number. So our order of complexity is 1. Okay, this is the solution of the problem 387, and thank you so much again for watching this video.